Hi guys, how you doing? It's Ryan at energyhill, and we're here today for another Friday Live. And today we're going to be talking about a really fun topic. It's actually homepage versus landing pages, and when to use them and when not to use them. It's actually a pretty. It's funny because I've talked to so many marketing wizards of the industry, and they really still. I think they missed the point of landing pages, especially, and what their goal and purpose is. So, with that said, we're going to get right to it. I'm going to try to make it a short Friday Live, so let's go. Homepage, the fundamentals. Typically, the most landed on, but is not the landing page. That's the homepage. Okay, it's in most cases, if you're not doing a huge advertising budget, it can be upwards of 80% of your traffic, and that's not a bad thing. It's typical. Sets the stage. The homepage sets the stage for your entire business overview. Many goals, they're not very specific. Again, with a homepage, you're thinking, hey, we want to hit people with trying to find out what they're looking for and how they can find it and achieve it. Links out to cornerstone pages. And cornerstone, I don't really want to use that term because that term we can go a lot further down that path. But typically, cornerstone pages are pages that are your most popular sections, or they could even be in, if you have a news or a blog section of your site, they're going to be the anchors that a lot of things link to. They have a lot of link juice, it's called, and those are what cornerstone is. We actually, if you like this topic about what is a cornerstone page, how do I set it up, how do we make it really function well, let me know in the comments or shoot an email to Christian, and we'll do more talks on that. Permanent page. Obviously, your homepage is a permanent page. It's there. It's always going to be, hey, what are they going to experience first with our brand when visiting our site? Now, on the landing page side, they set the stage for a specific part of your business. It could be to sell products. It could be to sell services. It could be for signing up for a course, or it could be for some type of engagement or some specific set of KPIs that you need. That's what landing pages are intended for. They are almost always, they target a specific and measurable KPI or key performance indicator. In some cases, they might hit a couple. We always take the approach of, I'm going to use firearm comparison, is that home pages are like a shotgun. It's like, hey, let's just get them the content where they need. Whereas a landing page should be really more of a sniper. It's you know what you're going for, and you're literally zeroing in on exactly what you want. They're designed to keep the users on a specific page to convert. So you're not having other links, and I'm going to get to that. I think that's actually the next point. No, strong call to action, which is of course. But the last one is no footer, no navigation, none of this craziness, okay? Keep it focused on, hey, we're sending them to landing page. We want them to convert. We want them to take an action on a landing page. And it could be ranging from signing up for a course. It could be ranging from just literally you're gathering a lead. Don't have a navigation on there. Now, I'm going to specify that as a navigation that leaves the landing page. We want them to stay on the landing page. That doesn't mean you can't have an anchored nav where you have, a link that would drop them to a specific section on the landing page. That's fine. In fact, that's cool and sexy. But as far as them leaving to go somewhere else, no. We want them to convert or leave, and that's fine if they leave. Remember, you don't, if it's not a fit, you don't want that person to buy from you or sign up for your course or what have you. But you do want them to take that action. Oh yeah, and the last one is they're not permanent. They can live on your site forever. However, you might not have them funded. You might not have an ad spend driving traffic to that landing page. So they're not always permanent. You can delete them especially if the campaign is no longer in brand or what you want to do. Their goal is typically just to reach a goal. Okay, let's think when not to use a landing page. When to use a landing page. Any targeted ads or ad campaigns. So in a sense, you're saying, hey, we're going to run this ad spend, whatever the budget is per month, and we really want to drive people to this specific area. Obviously, it includes paid search. Selling subscription service or featured product or course or anything. When you're trying to drive traffic to somewhere, you definitely want to use a landing page. Dropping them on your home page, although, yes, you can track and monitor if it converts, you're giving them so much. It's almost like, why not just give them the nugget that they need to make a decision? Don't give them the world. Give them something small that they can chew on and decide. It's great to use it when you're offering a new product or service during site maintenance. We actually use that a lot. Say, hey, while we're going to update our site or do some massive overhaul design-wise, let's put up a landing page for 2 days and see how it goes. And a lot of people are like, oh, you mean our homepage is going to go down? Yeah, for 2 days? It's okay. You've got 364 days where it'll be fine. So that's a great tactic to use. This is another one we love. Give away free content. Add value to people. If they're going to put in their email address and number and name, make sure you give them something as a, hey, thank you for joining our newsletter or whatever, requesting a quote or whatever. Here's something that can help you get started. Here's something that we can give you to add value to your campaigns and what you're doing. So we call it gated content. That's a term in the industry, and I definitely recommend that. All right, but I could just add that to my homepage. No, you can't. Okay, don't do that, because remember, the homepage the goal is for them to find what they're looking for, and they should be able to really access, hopefully, almost everything on your site from your homepage, or at least the main sections. So that's different than a landing page. A landing page is specific. You want them to do something. Remember, we're all about leads are king. I'm just going to throw some stats up here. 77% of companies are using homepages as landing pages. Okay, so all these marketing wizards in the world, yes, I'm calling you out. Don't do this, okay? Have landing pages set up for specific goals that you can monitor and win big on. Companies see a 50% increase in leads when increasing landing pages from 10 to 15. Videos on landing pages improve conversion by 86%. Multiple offers on a page can decrease. That's another thing. I love this last point. Don't go nuts with this and this and this. No, be specific. The call to action. Remember, what is the call to action? Specific. Sign up for our newsletter. Download our blah, blah, blah. Do that. Buy this course. Buy this product. Buy this service. Now, that doesn't mean, especially if you're product driven, it doesn't mean that after the fact, after they purchase, you say, would you also like to add this to your cart? That's fine. That's an upsell. I love that. But it doesn't mean try to sell them a lens when they're literally just looking for a camera and you just keep forcing this lens on them. Don't do that. Be smart about it. Be savvy. And then just offer it as an upsell. Okay, with that said, we are Energy Hill. We're located in the beautiful Land O'Lakes, Florida. Please follow us on social, YouTube especially. We're definitely trying to grow there, as well as Instagram and Facebook. Follow me on LinkedIn. All my contact information is here. Please feel free to cell phone text me. I don't mind. I actually got a text from you guys, so that's fine. Feel free to reach out as needed. Thanks, guys, so much. We'll see you Friday back here. We're going to be doing more videos coming up on Tuesday as well. Have fun, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.